Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Acid, Bases, and Salts. Let's start the chapter. Now, see, we can categorize the things on the basis of their taste. Now, in this table, so many items, substances are given to you. Then, see the taste. The first is curd. The taste of the curd is sour. Then baking soda is bitter. Tamarind is imli, it is sour in taste. Then sugarcane, we all know it is always sweet in taste. The next is orange juice is sour. Then bitter gourd always bitter, it's a karela, always it is bitter. The next is the lemon juice, sour in taste, then vinegar, grapes, these all are sour in taste. The next is unripened mango. Obviously, it will also be sour. Then cucumber, it is bitter. कुकुम्बर में तुमने देखा होगा जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन होता है वो हमेशा कैसा होता है बिटर. द नेक्स्ट इज शुगर. वी ऑल नो इट इज स्वीट, है ना. शुगर ऑलवेज स्वीट इन टेस्ट. नाउ by this table you can see there are so many substances. Some of them they have the sweet taste and some have the sour. They have the sour taste. Sour means खट्टा. ठीक है, कुछ sweet होते हैं, कुछ sour होते हैं और कुछ कैसे होते हैं, bitter होते हैं. Then on the basis of their taste, substances are of we can divide them into the acid, base and salts, right? Then see one by one what makes some substances bitter and some sour. In this chapter we are talking about the acids and bases, है ना. uh, in this activity, the above activity which we finished, that have the different food item with the different taste, and some are the sweet, some taste, some in taste, some are the salty and some are the sour. Okay. Now, have you ever wondered what make some substances bitter and to some substances sour? Okay, then see, the first topic is acid. Curd, tamarind, and lemon, orange juices, vinegar, they all taste sour due to the presence of acid in it. They all have acid in it, and due to the acid, those substances taste sour. Such substances which have acid in it, they are called the acidic substances, right? Now, the word acid come from the Latin word which is called the acer, and acer means sour. Now see, this is the tamarind, then the lemon juice, orange juice. These all are the acidic substances because they have acid in them, right? Now see the next. What are the properties of acid? Then acids are, the first is they are always sour in taste. Then second is corrosive in nature. They can corrode. They have the corrosive property. They can corrode any surface. The next is it turns blue litmus paper to the red. Actually, litmus papers are the indicator. They indicate either the substance which is given to you, that is acid or base. Then litmus paper is an indicator. Then if we use the litmus paper, if we dip the litmus paper in the acid, then uh, acid turn blue litmus paper into the red. Actually litmus paper are of two type, one is red and second is blue. Then red पे तो कोई effect नहीं होगा acid का, but blue litmus paper will change into the red, right? The next, all the acids are soluble in they are soluble in water. Then heat is produced when some strong acids are mixed in the water, and they react with a certain metal to form the salt and the hydrogen gas. And the examples are the of the acids. Acids are present in orange juice, curd, vinegar, and hydrochloric acid is also a acid. It is present in the, it is also found naturally in our stomach, as well as we can make it in the lab. Now, acids are of two types. Acids are of two types. One type is the organic acid and second is called mineral acid. Organic acids are the acids, uh, we can say some acids which occur naturally in the plants and animal, they are called the organic acids. And all the organic acid contain the carbon, उसमें क्या क्या होता है, कार्बन और उसमें हाइड्रोजन, ये दोनों एलिमेंट जरूर प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. Some common example of the organic acid are the lactic acid and acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, uric acid. These all are the organic acid. And organic acids are always weak in nature. ये बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous नहीं होते हैं because these are weak in nature. Right? Now see some of the, in this list also some of the acids which are organic acids are given to you. Now sour milk, it contain lactic acid. इसमें क्या present होता है? Lactic acid. लेमन जूस एंड ऑरेंजेस, इसमें क्या प्रेजेंट रहता है? सिट्रिक एसिड. देन विनेगर, विनेगर में होता है एसिडिक एसिड. देन आंट, whenever any ant bite to you, कभी भी आंट स्टिक करती है आपको, स्टिंग करती है, देन आपकी बॉडी में वो क्या छोड़ती है? फॉर्मिक एसिड, जिससे आपको बर्निंग सेंसेशन होता है, वो पोर्शन थोड़ा सा सेलब भी हो जाता है. Then grapes also, grapes and tamarind, they contain the tartaric acid. Fizzy drinks contain carbonic acid. Then vitamin C is ascorbic acid. जितने भी आपके citrus fruits होते हैं, they all contain the ascorbic acid. Then the spinach, it contain oxalic acid. Gastric juice, as I already told you, hydrochloric acid, stomach में होता है. Then urine contain uric acid. Then last is tea. टी में भी एसिड होता है. कौन सा एसिड होता है? इट इज द टेनिक एसिड. राइट. नाउ वंस अगेन सी, सार मिल्क, मतलब जिसे आप कहते हो ना दूध फट जाता है ना, lactic acid contain lactic acid. Curd also contain lactic acid. Then lemon and oranges, citric acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. Formic acid, ant contain formic acid. Grapes and tamarind, tartaric acid. Fizzy drinks, you know what's the meaning of fizzy drinks? Fizzy drink means फीजी ड्रिंक मतलब कुछ ऐसे ड्रिंक्स होते हैं ना जिनको आप खोलते हो, उसमें से बबल्स टाइप के बाहर निकल के आते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड द फीजी ड्रिंक. उसमें क्या होता है? कार्बोनिक एसिड. राइट. विटामिन सी, ascorbic acid, spinach, oxalic acid, and gastric juice, hydrochloric acid, uric acid is present into the urine, and tannic acid I told you in the present in the tea. Right. Then these all, mostly these all are the weak acids. Now see the next. Next is the mineral acid, right? Those acids which are driven, we can say which are derived from the mineral resources, they are called the mineral acid. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, these are the mineral acid. And these contain at least one hydrogen atom, but कार्बन एटम उसमें प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. जबकि पिछले वाले में मैंने बताया था हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन बोथ आर प्रेजेंट, बट इसमें कार्बन नहीं होता है. राइट. दे आर commonly called they are commonly used in the laboratories, and these all are the strong acid strong acids होते हैं. They can और we can say corrosion action जो होता है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. That's why we should हैंडल दैम केयरफुली. बर्निंग भी हो जाती है, अगर आपके हाथ में गिरेगा या कहीं पे भी कपड़ों में गिरता है तो उसको बर्न कर देता है. राइट. Then this is enough for today, and next time I will tell you about the bases. Then up to that, watch the video and revise it, and you have to learn this table also. In this table different type of the acids which are in the particular and sources are also given. You have to learn it. Right. Okay, till that, bye, thanks for watching me.